watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello and welcome back. The holiday season is here, and today I'm excited to share some simple yet beautiful ways to decorate your home using pine cones. These arrangements bring warmth, texture, and a cozy, festive vibe to any space. Whether you're looking to style your dining table, mantel, coffee table, or entryway, these ideas are easy to create and perfect for adding that rustic charm this Christmas. Let's get started with some inspiring pinecone display ideas. Rustic holiday bowl arrangement. A bowl filled with pine cones, lush greenery, and gold and green ornaments accented with a glittering gold star. Perfect as a centerpiece for your holiday dinner to create a welcoming festive vibe. Pine cones in a basket with lights. Simply place pine cones in a basket and add a string of warm lights. This quick arrangement instantly adds a cozy, cheerful touch to any corner of your home. Woodland bowl centerpiece. Combine moss, pine cones, evergreen sprigs, and candle holders in a shallow bowl. This creates a rustic, woodland-inspired holiday centerpiece that feels natural and inviting. Vintage gold ornaments with evergreens. For a last-minute holiday centerpiece, mix vintage gold ornaments, pine cones, and evergreen branches. Elegant yet effortless, perfect for your table or mantel. Pine cones with birch branch candle holders. Fill a bowl with pine cones and place birch branch candle holders in the center. This all-natural arrangement brings warmth and texture to any surface. Acorns, pine cones, and disco balls. Mix pine cones with acorns and small disco balls for a versatile centerpiece that works not just for Christmas, but also New Year celebrations. Evergreens and pine cones in a pot. A simple pot filled with evergreens and pine cones can be used as a centerpiece, coffee table accent, or console table decoration for a subtle festive touch. Dough bowl with candle and greenery. Fill a rustic dough bowl with pine cones and evergreens, then place a candle in the center. This simple setup adds instant warmth and rustic charm. Vintage stand with berries and pine cones. Use a vintage pedestal stand and decorate it with pine cones, greenery, berries, and candles. It's an elegant and nostalgic arrangement for any holiday table. Tray with pine cones, mercury glass, and candles. Style a tray with snowy pine cones, silver ornaments, mercury glass mini trees, and candles. Ideal for a coffee table or sideboard display. Classic evergreens and pine cones. Keep it simple with a small bowl or basket filled with evergreen branches, pine cones, and candles. Timeless and cozy, perfect for any holiday decor. Jar with potpourri elements. Fill a glass jar with pine cones, evergreen sprigs, dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and a few ornaments. It works as decoration, potpourri, or even a charming holiday favor. Entryway woodland arrangement. Place large pine cones with small potted evergreen trees or miniature shrubs in baskets. Add a few fairy lights for a simple, welcoming holiday entryway. Vintage gold ornaments with large pine cones. Combine vintage gold ornaments with large pine cones in a rustic bowl or tray. This pairing gives a classic farmhouse feel at a touch of holiday elegance. Wooden heart-shaped bowl with spices. Fill a wooden heart-shaped bowl with snowy pine cones, small bells, dried orange slices, and cinnamon sticks. Adds fragrance, rustic charm, and a warm holiday atmosphere. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these pinecone display ideas inspire you to create cozy, beautiful, and inviting spaces in your home this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future decorating inspiration. I'd love to hear in the comments which pinecone arrangement you plan to try first. Wishing you a warm and joyful holiday season, and I'll see you next time.